eating my food without help. And riding my cycle on my own. Dressing up myself. Freedom feels like being able to do things on my own. Having a home party after exams feels me freedom. Having fun with my friends after school makes me feel free. Freedom for me means having the right of free speech.
Freedom for me means having decisions on my own to be wherever I want to be in my life.
Freedom for me means building the life I want to live.
Living the life I want to live.
To choose my career path feels like freedom.
Being responsible for my choices and outcomes.